guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do potpourri. So it is kind of a lot like dry potpourri, but we're going to be using fresh fruits and spices to get your house smelling like fall. Basically everything's going to be done on the stove top, and you let it sit for about 2 hours and it makes your house smell amazing. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, super simple. These are the only ingredients you're going to need. Vanilla extract, 2 nutmegs, an orange, apple, 3 cinnamon sticks, and clove. So the first thing you're going to want to do is slice your fruit very, very thin. And you're also going to cut your nutmegs in half, which is pretty difficult, so make sure you have a really nice knife. The knife I was using was not great, but it got the job done. Next, you're going to line the bottom of your pan with the orange slices and apple slices. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of clove and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then your nutmeg, then your cinnamon sticks. Then you're going to fill the water up just to cover most of the fruit. Lastly, turn your stove on to medium-high heat and let it simmer, and within a few minutes your whole house is going to smell like fall. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I wish I could have smell-o-vision so you could smell how amazing this is. The clove is really coming out, the oranges is coming out, it smells like I'm baking something. So throughout the night, if the water goes down, all you gotta do is just pour some more water in it. It's not a big deal. So I will definitely be doing that tonight. I do use a wooden spoon to break up the oranges and the apples to release some of their natural oils. That really helps as well. But yeah, just check on it throughout the night, but it smells amazing. But that's it guys. If you end up doing this recipe, let me know down below in the comments. I have tons of recipes like this, so if you want to see more, just let me know, and have a good day. Bye.